Organizations invest millions in state of the art supply chain software. Yet, the moment a critical disruption hits, teams abandon these systems and scramble to open massive 60 tab spreadsheets to figure out what to do. Today, we are breaking down the four architectural reasons why enterprise supply chain systems fail under pressure and laying out a three-step roadmap to actually fix them. Downloading raw data to run high stakes decisions through manual workarounds leaves organizations dangerously exposed. It is a severe operational vulnerability that compromises total supply chain resilience. This vulnerability stems from the automation disconnect. As supply chains grew complex, companies bolted rigid modules onto broken processes, creating a tangled, unusable tech stack instead of an intelligent ecosystem. First, legacy linear processes shatter when leaders need to model on demand what if scenarios. Second, deeply fragmented data across providers forces critical routing choices in total isolation. Third, done API integrations push data but strip away business context, completely eroding trust. Finally, overly restrictive data governance models lock down operational data so tightly that business users have to bypass their own systems and download raw extracts just to do their jobs. Because these legacy stacks operate exclusively as rigid systems of record, executives inevitably default back to Excel as their only trusted system of decision. Break the Excel habit by transitioning the current software architecture into a continuous learning ecosystem that better serves the business needs. First, establish a data ready infrastructure by collapsing fragmented silos into a single source of truth. Next, integrate seamless analytics by embedding predictive models directly into daily workflows. Third, enable high velocity decision making with AI generated on demand insights for rapid strategy pivots. Implementing these three core pillars provides the visibility and speed required to maintain operational continuity during real world disruptions. Continuing to manage sudden supply chain crises and multi-million dollar routing decisions through manual spreadsheets is an unsustainable operational risk in modern logistics.
Hello, this is Raina McClure from SC Tech Insights. Thank you for listening. For more on this topic, click the article link below or go to www.sctechinsights.com for the latest insights on supply chain technology. Thank you and see you next time.